Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex markets. Actually, today it's not really big difference what particular currency to update, is because you could see that in general performance on recent couple of sessions is not very active. So Australian dollar mostly is calling around the predefined target. We talked about it recently. The same we could say about the New Zealand dollar. On the euro currency, we have made some minor adjustment to our view that we have prepared in the weekend. That market theoretically should follow through the parity to the next 97.50 target. It's just because of the performance on the daily chart. And since then, euro currency shows not really significant action, so mostly it stands at around the same levels it was standing yesterday. So that's why I do not see any really necessity to make update on euro currency by far, so because everything we discussed recently. So I think that today we could take a look at the Great British pound, just because it has completed, as you can see, predefined support. So we said that on the cable it will be vital area. This is area seems to be vital. It's just because if we'll take a look at the monthly chart, right there you could see we have big head and shoulders pattern, something of that kind, or maybe better to show you on the weekly. On the weekly maybe it will be even more representative, so we do not need currently this. You can see market after completion the XOP. In general, we said the performance looks not really bullish, but market is still coiling around the bottom of the potential left arm. So this is harmonically equal bottoms. And yes, we talked about lots of different bearish signs. Here, there's really very fast acceleration, which significantly diminish the chances that here might be a reversal. And overall fundamental background in Great Britain, as you understand, also stands not in favor of the bullish action. But still, since market stands at the harmonically important level and has formed potentially bullish pattern, it might show some pullback. So although we maybe do not intend to trade it on the long side, but the upward bounce could provide you not bad chance for taking the new short position on the cable. If you're a scalp trader and you're intending to trade it, well, that's great. You also could try to trade it on the long side as well if you would like to, because as I said on the daily chart, take a look right around this XOP on the weekly pattern. Market has completed free drive pattern, and with this free drive, at least as it follows to the theory of the pattern, market should show the bounce above the second and third drive. This is theoretically its minimum target. Very often free drives become the reversal patterns, but this currently, well, probably not the case right now. So if it will show the bounce to the 124, it's already will be great achievement, although I'm not sure that definitely will happen. But anyway, this scenario stands in place. So free drive completed extensions, reversal points, and you can see some minor reaction already started on Great British pound. On the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look that additionally to the last part of the third drive in the shape of the butterfly, market here has formed minor butterfly as well. And it's already has completed minimum targets, because you know this, I mean it's minor butterflies, because all the 30% treats like the minimum target of the minor butterfly. So here you have few options. If you would like to trade, for example, free drive pattern, you probably could wait for some larger pattern to consider, to just get more confidence that this pullback really could happen. For example, as you know, the butterflies very often becomes the part of the hand shoulders pattern. And here you could keep an eye on the possible head and shoulders of this kind. So it might be left shoulder, head, and on the bottom of the right shoulder somewhere around current levels. You could think about taking the long position if you would like to trade this free drive or something of that sort. Well, this is one of the possible scenarios. If you're watching for the bearish entry, you need to either wait for this redrive will be completed, or we get clear signs of the failure. This also is okay, because in the failure signs we also could take a look at taking the short position. Alternatively, for bullish trading, if you could focus on some minor pattern, for example on the hourly chart, you could see right after this butterfly has been formed, market turning to forming of this minor head and shoulders pattern. So currently neckline is already broken, market is testing the COP. OP will be around 1978, XOP 2045, which is potentially is a neckline of this head and shoulders that I have shown you on the follow time frame chart. There's also local ABCD pattern that we talked about, also has been completed perfectly. That's actually what we have. Depending on your view, your trading style, on the time frame that you are trading, scale of your trading, so you could choose what you like more. But in 2 words, bears should wait for completion of this retracement, or get the failure signs of the failure of the free drive pattern. Bulls, depending on the time frame that you are trading and what pattern particularly you would like to trade, you could choose different options. So for most short-term time frame, you could take a look at the hourly head and shoulders. For higher time frames, you probably could wait for a bit larger bullish reversal patterns on the follow time frame chart.